Ever feel like you're just praying and praying? You're searching all the job boards looking for different jobs without a skill. The truth is, without the right skills, it's like pouring water into a basket. Today, I'm breaking down high income skills you can learn on the side, whether you're schooling or working. Stick around because at the end, I'm going to be sharing the real secrets to help you get this job, even with beginner knowledge, where to get this job, and how much people are currently earning in these roles. Hi there, I'm Digital Devs. If you're interested in leveling up in tech and business with real-world insights, then click the like button and also subscribe because this is your channel. YouTube has announced that they will stop monetizing videos that use only AI-generated voices without human input. Your voice, skills, and your authenticity matter more than ever. The first skill on my list is social media management. Social media is not going anywhere. Why? Every business wants to be seen. You know the good part about it? You do not even have to be online 24/7. There are different tools that you can use to work, to be productive, and also focus on your school or your main job. Tools like Buffer, Later, Meta Business Suite helps you schedule your posts while you're in class or while you're doing your main job. There are over 20,000 social media manager openings globally, with pay ranging from $15 to $50 per hour depending on your location and experience. Job boards to check include Indeed, LinkedIn Jobs, Upwork, and Fiverr for freelance gigs. You can start with your friend's page, that group page, or even your own page. That becomes your first portfolio project. And the next on my list is digital design using simple tools. Gone are the days where you have to be an Adobe expert to be able to design something meaningful. Now, tools like Canva, VistaCreate, and Figma make design super accessible. According to Glassdoor, freelance designers earn around $18 to $60 per hour and over 15,000 openings globally. Check Behance Jobs, Upwork, Fiverr, and even LinkedIn Jobs for these roles. You can design logos, birthday flyers, IG posts, or even resumes. Brands pay for clarity and aesthetics. You can start your personal brand or even offer to redesign a small business's flyer near you. I know you think everyone is doing this already. The third on my list is content creation and video editing. If you're already scrolling on TikTok or even Reels, why not learn how they are made? Short form content is already selling like gold now. Brands will pay heavily for professional video editing. Don't worry about perfection. Each video editing teaches you something new, and brands care about consistency over perfection. So this is your time to start. Sales is more than putting a price tag on a product or even saying click buy. Sales and communication. Sales is the heartbeat of every business, whether you're pitching a product or pitching yourself for a job or even trying to sell something. It is a skill that will pay you for a lifetime. No one was born to sell, everyone learned it. So, what are you waiting for? Take a short course on Coursera, HubSpot Academy, learn the basics of persuasion, customer relationship management, and also negotiation, and become an expert in it. Here's the secret: building a portfolio. Even if you manage your friend's social media page, created a video on TikTok, edited that graphics for your department, document everything, take screenshots, do screen recording, and create a document that you can put all of these things in orderly. This is going to now show as your portfolio to employers. You also want to list out the tools you use. If you use Canva, if you use CapCut, if you use Meta Business Suite, put all of those things together, because what brands are after is credibility over just a beautifully designed resume. So it's important that you put all of these things together, which builds your portfolio and shows that you are credible and you know how to do what you have said you can do. If you have come this far, do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe for more insightful content like this. Now, it's time to take action. Pick a skill, learn it for 2 hours this week, And also practice as much as you can and document your process of practicing. You can volunteer for a brand to work for free, or even a friend, or even in your department to create flyers, edit videos, and importantly, document the processes in a Google Drive or on Notion. This way, you want to show employers that you are credible and you can do what you say you can do, and you'll just be on your way to earn that money that you need. Let me know in the comments what skill you'll be learning. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're interested in leveling up in tech and business. This is Digital Devs. See you in the next video.